Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, Keto Cook at Ron. Well, this is just a follow-up of the ice cream we made earlier, and this is the chocolate ice cream we made. As you can see, I put my spoon in it to see if it was thawed out, and I just popped it out of the freezer. It's been about 4, maybe 5 hours. And looks like chocolate. Tastes really, really good, guys. I mean, I don't even notice the difference. But this is just a quick follow-up of what we did. So we're making a series of ice cream videos for the new channel, Keto Cook at Ron. We made the strawberry one. And the base for all these recipes are pretty much similar. But and the YouTuber I found the recipe from is Duff, the diet chef, and I'll leave a link below the video. But don't forget to like and share to my YouTube channel, Lovin Keto, and Ron's Weight Loss Journey, and Keto Cooking with Ron. And I hope to put more and more recipes like this every other day, and keep putting my recipes from what I ate in the past, and to help me to lose over 128 pounds. So anyways, thank you for joining me. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel. Have a great day, guys.